dream I know deep up my feelings for you. Watch.
President Tinubu tells Nigerians that they should buy made-in-Nigeria goods to strengthen the naira. Moving on, we have the foreign airlines tells federal government to show evidence of payment of forex backlog.
All right, my people, welcome back to this wonderful channel as we bring you back-to-back updates and information as they hot. In case it's your first time of joining us on this wonderful channel, kindly go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, share, and also remember to turn notification bell
so that anytime we drop our news, now you could be the first to watch them. My people, don't be small matter they happen for this country. The presidency believes patronage of made-in-Nigeria products is key to strengthen the naira, and they want citizens to buy goods produced in the country to make that happen. So the special advisor on media and publicity to the president, Galant, disclosed this in a press briefing with the State House correspondent on Friday. Galant said firstly that His Excellency President Bola Ahmed Tinubu wants to communicate very clearly to the people of Nigeria that there has never been a more important time in our history to actively agree together. So now he's pleading on the citizens that they should patronize and purchase made-in-Nigeria products across all value chain across all sectors. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu said he wants the spreading power of our people to go up, that he wants every naira and kobo we earn to be more valuable, not just here, but when we travel abroad. So in addition to that, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, beyond the appeal to Nigerians to actively and intentionally make that decision every day to patronize made-in-Nigeria products and services across board, he also wants to ensure that Nigerians fully understand that the momentum that we are now seeing with respect to the strengthening of our currency is not going to slow down. So now, my people, the masses are asking President Bola Ahmed Tinubu that he left Innocent Motors in Nigeria to go get a Prado Jeep for lawmakers from Japan. That's what example is Zina trying to tell us, that he was supposed to be the first person that will patronize the made-in-Nigeria product before he start telling the citizens, my people, don't be small matter, that he should tell the executive and legislative and judiciary to use the made-in-Nigeria cars as their official vehicles. That is how to show that they really want the citizens to patronize made in Nigeria, because they can go abroad and get their stuff, and we still have them in Nigeria, and they are expecting citizens to patronize the made in Nigeria. Honestly, our politicians should also learn how to use made in Nigeria hospital when they are sick. They should start by visiting Nigeria hospital, because look at the facility of so many Nigeria hospitals with dilapidated buildings, yet the government doesn't care. Rather, they said when they are sick, they can go abroad and treat themselves. Meanwhile, we have hospitals, nice hospitals. If they're able to fix in those hospitals, wow, it will be a great thing for all Nigerians, and all Nigerians will benefit from it. But no, they choose to go abroad and treat themselves. Now, President is telling us that we should patronize made in Nigeria products. I think leadership by example. They should lead first. Politicians should stop giving scholarship and sending their children abroad. They should stop flying foreign airplanes and medical tourism. Meanwhile, they have other things here in Nigeria. Who is going to restrain Dangote and his life from importing certain goods and services? There are talent in every ethnicity, especially from the Igbo folks. We are the insensitives. There is Innocent and some other man from the north that produce cars. Is the government patronizing them? They should lead by an example. How many presidential cars are made in Nigeria? You have to lead by example. That is the truth. All the vehicles you guys are using today, are they Nigeria products? Do you use made in Nigeria too? That is the question the masses are asking. Because the presidency should lead by an example. Let them start it by using made in Nigeria cars as their first official cars. Maybe the presidency should also tell themselves and their co-elites to stop using foreign currency in the country, because that is the root cause of the valuation of the naira. He should practice what he preaches, because he has not done enough to show Nigerians that he's leading by example. Leaders lead, so he should show the way. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions in the comment section. We'd love to hear from you. Moving on to the next one. President of the Association of Foreign Airlines and Representative in Nigeria, Mr. Kingsley Nwokoma, asked the federal government to show evidence that the Central Bank of Nigeria has indeed cleared all valid foreign exchange backlog they own foreign airlines. My people, don't be small matter. It has not been long when CBA governor came out to tell the citizens that they have been able to clear out all the foreign backlog. My people, don't be small matter. Now, the president of the Association of Foreign Airlines are telling them to show evidence of that, because not everything will happen for Nigeria that would they believe now. We don't see shege. The masses know they believe anything with that government they talk again, because so many things they have said with their mouth and they have not implemented it. My people Iboku. So now they want them to show evidence of that before they could believe them. My people will come and told Vanguard that although foreign airlines have been told to get their fund from the bank using the rate of I&E windows, they refuse because the current I&E windows rate differed from what they used in selling tickets. So if they have paid, if CBN said they have paid, the presidents of the airline said that they should let them know how much have been paid, that where is the evidence of the payment, that they should also show evidence of payment, and they will thank them because payment is what they want. That the backlog of trap fund made foreign airlines stop releasing low inventory tickets. So with $812.2 million, Nigeria tops the country that account for 68.0% of blocked funds. So others are Bangladesh, Algeria, Pakistan, and Lebanon. Honestly, this is part of the problem. Why can't the federal government make sure all payments were fully paid before rushing out to tell the citizens? Honestly, we know they didn't pay shishi. They just want pressure us, make we bring out our hard-earned currency. Any government built on lies, propaganda, and ringing can never stand the test of time. The masses are telling the federal government that they should be honest, and also CBN, that CBN should come out straight with Nigeria and plead for more time in order to do things right, that instead of tossing them around in an unending circle. They don't change them for federal government too. So persons are trying to dodge some bullets, honestly. As it stands now, the masses don't want to believe federal government again. They say if you believe federal government, it's at your own risk. That it's very embarrassing that the amount of audio talk in this government is too much and no credibility. My people, don't be small matter. Alright guys, I go like make I know what to think about this issue. In the comment section, I go like hear from una. Let's send in our thoughts, our opinion in the comment section. We'd love to hear from you. Once again, thank you all so much for staying to us. We really appreciate it. But if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube page yet, please do also favor to like and subscribe and also share. Don't forget to turn notification bell to get notified when there's a drop our video, because I'm sure you don't want to miss out the trend and latest news happening on social media. To all our amazing subscribers, thank you all so much for joining us. To all our viewers out there, thank you so much for joining us. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Till I come your winners, stay safe guys. Bye.
Fam, that's what they call me. Promise that you never be lonely. Be the fam, that's what they call me. Promise that you